What's up YouTube? SRT Dad. And today guys, we're gonna go over every single mod that I have and how much I paid for it. Let's go.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
The first mod we're gonna talk about is going to be this Danko front splitter here. So guys, they don't make these anymore. Well, I'm not too sure, but every time I go on the website, they're either sold out or I can't even get on the Danko website anymore. But with shipping and taxes and everything, guys, this Danko front splitter cost me $394. All right, let's move on to the next thing. All right, guys, so next is gonna be the RGBW Halo kit. So before I even talk about that, I did buy replacement headlights and fog lamps, guys. So these are actually brand new headlamps, and so are the fog lights. But the Halo kit itself with install and everything was $650, and then the headlights and fog lights together, guys, with shipping and taxes, was $150. And I don't regret it. So the next mod we're gonna move on to, guys, is gonna be my hood. I got it wrapped in carbon fiber, and I really like it. I might end up getting the top here and the trunk here. I might get that wrapped in carbon fiber too. Let me know what you guys think. But anyways, guys, the carbon fiber wrap normally runs about $350, but I got it for $250 because I got a kind of a hookup, and it was kind of the guy's last piece of carbon fiber, and it was just enough to cover my hood. But yep, let's move on to the next thing. All right, guys, so you see I have I think it's called Spoiler King roof spoiler. That with shipping and taxes, guys, ran me a good $146. All right, guys, so now we're going up back here. So I do have a rear valance down here, guys, right? It goes on the 2015 and up Charger, Scat Packs, Hellcats. So that rear valance cost me $95, and the exhaust tips, which I got on Amazon, for both were about $76. And then the spoiler, so the spoiler is a Hellcat spoiler, and then the Venom two-piece spoiler, or two-piece wicker bill, I mean, which I did take that middle piece off because I kind of like it better now. So the wicker bill cost me $108. The Hellcat spoiler cost me $123, guys. So, you know, the bills are starting to rack up now. All right, guys, so the wheels. So I got them on sale on eBay, I ain't gonna lie, guys. So after, you know, tax and shipping, guys, the wheels ran me a good, let's see, what do we have here? $818. So they are a staggered setup here. So they're 9.5 up front and 10.5 up back. All four are 20 inches in diameter. Normally these guys are gonna run you a good, $1,100, $1,200, you know, depending. But you know, sometimes you'll find them on sale like I did, and you know, just be on the look for the sales, guys, because you know nobody wants to pay retail, right? And to go back on the exhaust tips, guys, I forgot to mention, the install did cost me $150, but normally, guys, if you go to, you know, any typical exhaust shop, they'll probably charge you like 40 bucks a tip, you know, to cut the current tip you have out and put the new ones in. It just depends on where you go. Everybody charges different prices. I had to pay a little more because there isn't too many exhaust shops out by where I live at. So the tires, guys, I have Achilles ultra high performance tires up front. You know, those are a little cheaper. They're a cheaper brand, so those cost me around, you know, $220 for the front ones. And then up back, guys, I have a Cooper tires. They're 305 3520s. I don't know which Cooper tires they are. Let's see. We got Xeon RS3/G1. Yeah, so those cost me about $500. That's with install and taxes and all that at Discount Tire. So I do have a sunroof decal, guys. It's SRT with a distressed flag. I've mentioned it plenty of times in my previous videos, but I get a lot of questions about it and how much it was and where I got it from. I will be providing links to every single mod, guys, by the way, but this one cost me $55. As you can see, there it is on the inside. It looks really nice. So kind of moving on in the interior here, guys, I do have gas and brake pedals there and the Deadman pedal there. That cost me, I believe, let's see. Sorry, guys, I have everything written down over here. I'm not gonna, you know, mess with you guys. I do have everything written down. It is $55, guys, on eBay. Like I said, I'll be providing links for it. It was kind of hard to install, guys. The brake pedal, I believe, was easy. This was that gas pedal that was hard because I have to screw into that metal behind the actual pedal there. These SRT8 mats, guys, they ran me $100. And it does come with mats for the back, but the mats in the back, they don't have the SRT8 on them. It's just blank. A lot of you guys ask if I have a side skirt, but this is just Easy Lip, guys, on both sides. You get them on Amazon, eBay, wherever you want. They're everywhere. It's just side skirts. I even put them on the back over here. Those it was $76, guys. That's with shipping and taxes and everything. So you guys can see here I have some rain guards on all 4 of my windows. I got those from Car ID. Like I said, I'll be providing links. And they're really nice. I never had to even glue them in there. I just put them in and they've stayed in since. Even with the windows down, going at high speeds, they stay. So I believe these were $112, guys, $112. That's with shipping, taxes. I like them. I think they look nice. They don't look exaggerated like some other ones you see online or on other cars. So guys, on the interior, I kind of showed you guys a few things here. So I do have a steering wheel, so let's go ahead and get a little closer to it. So here's the steering wheel, guys. Really nice, flat bottom, Alcantara top and bottom. I really like it. So like I was saying, guys, steering wheel, really nice, Alcantara top and bottom. I did a video installing it. It wasn't too bad, just that bolt in the middle was hard to get out. So this steering wheel, guys, ran me $616. That's with shipping, shipped all the way from Germany, and taxes. $616, guys, not too bad. All right, guys, so now moving under the hood. I do have this DC strut bar. That's gonna be about it performance-wise. That cost me, with shipping and everything, $145. I do have a K&N intake on the car. I didn't purchase it, it came with the car already, but these do normally run around $330 before taxes and all that. But other than that, performance-wise, guys, under the hood, that's all I have. I do have another mod, which we're gonna get to next. All right, guys, so for the last mod here, we're gonna talk about the Diablo tuner. See, as soon as I turn the car on, there it is. All right, guys. Yeah, that's the sound of the exhaust without a rev limiter, really loud. But Diablo tuner, guys, cost me $760. Pretty expensive, but it's been worth it so far. I'm gonna do a review video on it soon. I did do a little video on it when I installed it. You guys should go ahead and check that out. But yeah, $760, guys. Alright guys, it's getting a little cold out here. It's getting kind of dark. I don't even know if you can see me still. I'm kind of scared. I don't know where I'm at. But that's going to be all for today, guys. Don't be intimidated by the whole price total, guys. I didn't buy everything at once, obviously. I bought it, piece by piece. Just make sure, try to, get a good deal. A lot of the times, you can find the stuff on Amazon and they have a good deal on it sometimes, or other websites have it too, But if this is your first video, guys, be sure to check out all my content. I got a ton of stuff, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys will like it. If you have any questions on any of the mods you've seen, because I didn't really go into detail about everything, I just kind of, told you guys the price. There's a video, There's a video for it. You can go ahead and ask in the comments, I'll provide a link, or you can just go ahead and, look through my videos, and I'm sure you'll find the answer you need. And also, guys, every mod I talked about, I'm going to put a link on there so you guys can go ahead and go buy it if you want. You know what I mean? If you want to make your car look like mine, I don't care. That's on you. Well, that's going to be all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, and I'm out.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till it hit